So now, let's talk about number 4, the natives. This Louisiana Purchase was by no means empty. Even though Americans considered it to be wilderness, people lived there. Who? Native American tribes. Lewis and Clark, they knew this, and they came ready. As they sailed up the Missouri River, they sailed on this ship known as a keelboat. A keelboat. It held about 32 men. At the front it had a small cannon, right here. It had a small sail, and if it got too shallow, or there wasn't enough wind, the men could row. Now in this keelboat, right back here, were a lot of supplies. Because, remember, the purpose of their mission was commerce, trade. What types of things? Well, a whole bunch of different things. Most importantly, they had peace metals and gunpowder. Let's talk about the peace metals first. So, when Lewis and Clark would encounter a new tribe, they would give the chief a peace medal. It looked a lot like this, and it had a picture of President Jefferson on one side, and then 2 men shaking hands on the other. It was a medal that showed Lewis and Clark, the Corps of Discovery, and the U.S. wanted peace with the natives. But at the same time, Lewis and Clark carried a lot of weapons with them. And these weapons were very valuable to the Native Americans, especially for hunting buffalo. What weapons? Well, special types of gunpowder and special types of bullets. Lewis and Clark would give or trade these to the natives. So let's talk about number 5, the conflict. For the most part, Lewis and Clark, the Corps of Discovery, got along very well with the Native Americans. However, they did have to use their weapons once against the Native American tribe known as the Dakotas. That's D-O-K-A-T-O-S. I'm sorry. Dakotas. D-A-K-O-T-A-S, not O-S. Dakota. The Dakotas were very warlike people. They protected their territory. And they didn't react too well to Lewis and Clark coming into their area. So now we're going to listen and watch what happened during this conflict between the Corps of Discovery and the Dakota Indians.